Ever wonder why that awful chalkboard screech makes you cringe? It's a fascinating biological reflex, not just an annoyance. Your brain is acutely sensitive to frequencies between 2,000 and 4,000 hertz. This range, shared with human screams, instantly triggers your amygdala. This ancient fear center activates a fight or flight response, causing adrenaline and muscle tension. It's an evolutionary remnant, once vital for sensing danger. This isn't weakness, it's your brain's hardwired survival instinct. Explore more scientific wonders with Qwick Bio.